It's more space weather. Had another X-ray flare. Another small B-class X-ray flare. But what's weird is the sudden KP index. And while looking at that, we noticed an earthquake swarm off of British Columbia. Wasn't expecting to see that. Let's zoom in. There you go. There's an earthquake swarm. That's Vancouver Island right there. There's a 5.4 involved. Checked out the USGS, United States downgrade service. Oh, that's a USDS. And it's been downgraded to a 5.2. In any case, no tsunami warning issued. Anyway, we were interested in what was going on with the space weather situation because we noticed that the KP index was at 1 all day despite an elevated solar wind. So while we were looking at that, we noticed another small X-ray flare, which is why we looked at the X-ray imager. The electron count is still pretty high. You can see no phi-angle magnetic connection, but the wind speed, geez, it's like 600, or it was 600 there. Check it out. Right there. See that big spike? So anyway, that and a combination of the X-ray flux and a combination of the electron flux, now the KP index went straight from 1 to 3. So check it out. There's a magnetometer. Where will the top be? We're taking bets. We're taking bets in the comment section. We only bet in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Just kidding. No bets. Here's your electron flux levels. Still quite high. And indeed, we were looking at the electron count over the US. Not super huge, but a little bit less of a drought than there's been. Let that play through. Also, we've got to do an indoor gardening addendum. That's not a garden, that's fish. Anyway, there's Jaws and Phelps. Yes, they're contributing to the garden. And there's the progress on the tomato. I think it's... Is it officially ping pong ball size yet? I think it's ping pong ball size. And there you have it. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Holla.